Today's Hot Wheels 2023 International H-Case unboxing is brought to you by, well, you know it. If it's an international case, it's A&J Toys. Ken sent this over. Kind of cool. He put this in the mail last week. Then he and I hung out at the Hot Wheels convention in Columbus, Ohio. Now he's back in Kansas City, and I'm here in Utah. And this case was waiting for me when I got home, and I am so excited to be doing an unboxing again. Seems like it's been a while. We do them when we get them. That means maybe we'll be getting the US case at some point. But we should just get right to it. H-Case International. We can see what's waiting for us in here. Could be a super. Don't tend to pull them in the international cases, but, you know, I've had a couple times it's happened. And I am so out of the loop on these cases, I can't remember if I've done a USH case. But all I know is that this is a sealed case. I just cut it open, and now we are going to see what is inside. Maybe I've seen all this stuff. Maybe I haven't. I don't think I have. All right, let's get right to it. Let's get surprised or not. This is the Teed Off 2. I'm going to try and remember what the regular treasure hunt is. I might miss it. If I do, you'll tell me. This is the Mustang NHRA Funny Car. I believe this is a recolor. Am I correct in that assumption? And the Honda CB750 Cafe. I think we have seen that one in the previous case. Batmobile, maybe we've seen that in maroon. It has been so long. Dodge van, I think that's is that a recolor? I believe so. I mean, I know it was in the Boulevard. And there's a 2023 Nissan Z. We'll see that in gray a little bit later. All right, next one. I think we have seen, no, we haven't seen that one. All right, so this is a new case for me. 1988 Honda CRX. We saw that in the last case. We did see the Porsche Taycan Turbo S in green. Really like that, but one hit wonder, no more. The Jaguar I-Pace E Trophy is out. It is in black. It was Hot Wheels ID prior. Now it is a standard basic model. I don't know if they've modified outside of the chip, of course, if they've modified it other ways, but this does look nice in the Jag Deco, everything else. That is really cool. So we'll put that in the highlight pile, I think. But I have to go back on my one-hit wonders, right? No longer. All right, Bricking Trails. I think we've seen that one before. This is the Batman Forever Batmobile. I believe that's a recolor. I was obviously in black, and look at this thing. Cloak and Dagger goes Day of the Dead. They've been running with this deco, and it looks really, really cool. I'm actually looking for a regular treasure hunt symbol, but there's nothing on the card, so that's kind of nice. Some of you might be asking why I said international. That's because this is what goes to the international markets, non-US markets, and usually if there's a new model, I believe this Batmobile is, it doesn't say new model here. That's one of the biggest differences, but other than that, it's really the same. Assortments can sometimes be different. There she is. Oh, there she is. Still love this model as just every time I see it. 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Obviously, it's from the last case, but I still love seeing it. Maybe there's more in here. That would be really cool if there was. But Rockin' Railer, and then the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. I believe the other two we've seen. Maybe not the Rockin' Railer. I don't know. Is that a new casting? Has kind of a speed record vibe to it. Hot Wheels 4 Track. That might be new. What's funny is I don't know what's new here because it doesn't tell me. Diora 3 and another Batmobile. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. That looks nice in blue. I can't remember if that was from the last case. And one hit wonder no longer. There's the BMW i8 Roadster. Nice to see that. That's another one from ID that was only released once. It makes its way to the main line as well. And that looks really nice and great. This will be recolored in black later as well. Highlight pile. And the 70 Dodge Charger. We've shown this one, the tuned version. We did it in a sneak peek video. I know this one, others have seen it too, and we have a Supra coming out as well, Fast and Furious Supra in the same tuned look. And then we learned at the convention that they're doing a Porsche in the same tuned style, which is kind of cool. All right. Twin Dunction, can't remember. I know we've seen the Mazda Repu, and I know we've also seen the Jeep Wagoneer, all in those colors. Ducati 1199 Panigale, I don't remember. Oh, well, I did see it. There it is. That's your regular treasure hunt. Hey, look at me. I found it. I saw it. All right, we'll put that in the highlight pile. Motorcycle is your regular treasure hunt. That's kind of cool. In 2023 Nissan Z, we've seen that. And the Gotta Go, I believe we've seen that one as well. Mazda again, Dodge Challenger again, Skate Grom, that was in the last case as well. Nova Wagon again, Hot Wheels 4Track again, Dodge Charger again. I think I called it the Challenger last time. Just ignore that. I apologize. We're already here. Let's just go ahead and move that since it wants to get out. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. I think it was in white and black last time. Now it is in green. Am I making that up? Don't know. I don't think so. Fast Felion. Anyway. Jag type car. That's out there. And then the Rockin' Railer. All right. Let's see what the next 36 has to offer. What, I'm missing something. There it is. All right, Mustang NHR funny car again, Fast Felion again, and there's a nice one. Recolor the Pagani Zonda R, beautiful, beautiful. Man, it's funny, we saw that released once last year. We've already seen these two colors plus the Speed Machines. That is 3. Now 4 versions of that casting. That's nice to see. Baja Holler, I think that's new. 71 Plymouth GTX, that is new and that is clean. That looks nice. That looks really nice. And Rally Special, or Special. 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. Now is that the, no, this would be the Super, right? Yeah, it's not, but anyway. That would have been the Super in the last case. Tesla Model Y, I can't remember if we've seen that one or not, but it's a recolor. And then the Fiat 500e. I think all of those we've seen. So, Glory Chaser in Gulf colors. This is cool. If it were in Spectre Flame, it would be the Super Treasure Hunt. I have it. But I didn't bring it with me because I couldn't remember what the HK Super was. We'll obviously showcase that later when I do all the Supers towards the end of the year. Solar Reflex, but anything Gulf garners a lot of attention. And that's, you know, it's not a licensed casting, but it's a really nice casting. So I know why some people will complain that it's not, but that's okay. The Golf is licensed, and that's kind of cool. And the Golf Supers always seem to be popular. Solar Reflex and the Jeep Wagoneer. We'll put that in the highlight pile, the other one. Oh, look at that. All right, Group C Fantasy, that's nice. Dodge Power Wagon, that's nice too, but I'm more focused on that middle one. Look at that cool combi recolor. That is so cool. Zamak is out right now. A lot of people are finding it. We did a Zamak case a while ago, right? So you had it in yellow. We have Zamak. So 3 cool combis, all in Moon Eyes deco. I love the white moon rims here. They will serve as moon rims, right? They're those disc style wheels, but they work really well here. That is actually both of those bottom ones I'll call highlights. Love that. Love, love, love it. Bone Shaker was black. Now it's maroon. Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird was white. Then it was Zamak. Now it is black and gold. Great color combination there. Really dig that. And the Ford Ranchero might have been yellow. Now it's red. Am I right on that? I think. I'm going to put the Debbie Hayes, the Matt and Debbie Hayes car there. Baja Bison. I think we've seen that one before. There's the Tesla again and Hot Wheels High. Let me see this combination before. There's the Honda CRX and the Porsche again, and the Batmobile again. Ooh, Lamborghini Sion. I don't know if I'm saying that right. FKP 37 in orange. It was in that green color. Now I have to decide if I'm going to collect this casting. I don't know. Some Lamborghinis I love. Others not so much. This one kind of sits right in the middle there. I'll have to debate. I think it's a nice casting, but I don't know. I'll put it in the highlight pile, but I don't know. Roller Toaster, because, you know, those first models, I collect all the first models, or, you know, for Lamley Awards, and then that's the Land Speeder. And then I decide after that, do I want to keep them or not? Do I want to keep collecting them? Cloud Cutter, and there she is again. I'll just pause for a second. All right, Fiat 500. Is there going to be any argument on what my favorite model of the year is going to be from Basic? I don't think so. Oh, look, a Batmobile. Oh, look, a Batmobile. Oh, look, a Baja Bison, but not a Batmobile. Ooh, here's some good stuff. We will finish off with the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. That looks great in black. I don't care what this casting looks like. It's going in the collection. That is a total winner. Rally Special, and then a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. I'm assuming, yep, that's a Fast and Furious version. Nice and clean, plain. They've done this release a couple of times, but I'll focus on that Audi. All right, highlights. Not considered an H-Case highlight, but I mean, that's the last we'll see of that one. Obviously, this one's going to be, it was unveiled that's going to be recolored in silver, right? So that will be cool to see. I hope it goes premium. I really do. Audi highlight, Lamborghini highlight, Thunderbird highlight. Wish there was more than one, but I'm assuming in the next case we'll see more than one of the Combi, because that seemed to be the case with the first one. Dodge Power Wagon highlight. Glory Chaser Super would have been more of a highlight, but we'll take that one. Zonda definitely a highlight. This because it's a regular treasure hunt. And these two because they're one-hit wonders, gone second release. My favorite, if you're not counting this guy, is this one. Love the Combi. Love this Moon Eyes version. Total winner. You guys tell me what you think. Decent case. I wouldn't call it just a home run like the one with the Honda and the Audi Quattro, or the Audi 90, and then it had the Corvette, and it had the Porsche Carrera RS and this Mercedes. You know, this one is a little bit of a pullback from the last case, but it's decent. All right, you guys tell me what you think. Thanks, everybody. What's your favorite one? You tell me. Bye.